this video, we will see how do we sketch a graph when we have the following data, like we have the vertex of the graph, we have the x-intercepts, and we know the value of y-intercepts. Okay, so if this information is available to you, then how do we sketch the quadratic function? Okay, so what happened here is, like, sometimes the intercepts, x-intercept and y-intercept, either it is given in the form like x is equal to -10 and x is equal to -2, or it will be given in the point form, like it will be given as -10, 0 and -2, 0. Why is it so? Because x-intercepts are the points where the curve intersect the x-axis. It means y is 0. Similarly, for the y-intercept, the value of x is 0, so it may be given in the form of 0, -6. So you should know how to work with both of them. Okay, so let's see. So here you see the maximum value of y is 10 and the value for x goes to -10. So we take the scale accordingly. So for instance, if I have taken this graph, okay, so let's start by plotting the point one by one. Start with the vertex -6 and 10. So here, as you know, first is the value of x and second is the value of y whenever we represent a point. So x equal -6. So for this, it's here, say, if this value is -10, so this will be, say, -2, -4, -6, -8, and you get -10. Okay, so you can take the scale according to the given values. Okay, so the vertex is -6 and 10. So value of y is 10. This is your x-axis and always this is your y-axis. So x is equal to -6 is this line, this one, and y is equal to 10 is here. So this is your vertex. Now, next is the intercept. The value of x is -10 and x is -2. So x -10 is here at this point and x is equal to -2 is here because it's like -2 and the value of y is 0. Here x is -10 and y is 0. At y-intercept, we know x is equal to 0. So this becomes the point 0, -6. So it is in the downward direction. So this is, say, -2, -4, -6, -8, and -10. So point 0, -6, x equal to 0, and y -6 is this point. So for sketching, now what we do, we just join these points, these 4 points. So we start, as we know it's a quadratic function, so we should join it by a curve, not a straight line. So joining these points, what we will get? We simply roughly join it, okay? So this will gives you, say, point here. We have to join all this together. So this gives you the graph of this function, okay? Let's take another example. Here the vertex is given as 4 and 4. X-intercept is 0 and 8 and y-intercept is 0. So considering the scale for this and plotting it here, x-intercept 4, 4. So where is the point 4, 4? Means x is 4 and y is also 4. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here also 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So x is 4 is this one and y is 4 here. So this is your point 4, 4. Okay. Then x-intercepts means y is 0 here. So you have the point 0, 0 and 8, 0. So where will be the point 0, 0? it is nothing but the origin where both x and y are 0. Okay, so this is point 0 comma 0 and 8 comma 0 is this point. This is 8 comma 0. Now we left with y-intercept. Y-intercept is 0. So for y-intercept x is already 0. So it means again the point 0 comma 0, the same point. So in this we have only 3 points to draw the graph. So let's join them. So joining these points you get this parabola. So it is a downward parabola. Okay. Let's move to the another example. Suppose the vertex is -2 and x-intercepts. Now here it is given in the form of the points -1, 0, 1, 0. And y-intercept is 0, -2. So if we consider this in the graph, vertex 0, -2. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Vertex means x is 0 and y is -2. x0, y -2. So it will be a point here, 0, -2. Next is the point -1, 0, or you can say the value of x is -1. So x -1 and y 0 is this point. Okay, so this is -1, 0 and 1, 0. Means here the value of x is 1. So this is the point 1, comma 0. In the y-intercept is 0, comma -2. It means here the y is -2. So again it's the same point as of vertex. So not a problem. It's fine. Now join the graph. Points to get the graph. So when we join, make sure that we touch all the points. Okay. So it's from here and then here. So it is an upward parabola. Okay. Let's